Hello, welcome to the class of Wireshark. Today we will learn how to check out the time delays or the latency in between these packets. So time delays are also known as the latency. So latencies occur as a host sends a request and wait for a reply. There is always some latency or the time delay between sending and receiving of the packet. So there are three type of latency problems like the path latency, client latency and the server latency. So to measure the latency we have to concern over this time column. So the first layer, that is path latencies, occur that refer to the round trip time latency. So the round trip time latency is how long it taken for some packet to be transmitted and the response to be received. It means the acknowledgement of the particular packet to be received. So it is the time difference between the between sending and receiving the acknowledgement of the packet. So it means that this path latencies occurred over in between the path. So it means it occur due to some faulty router or due to some faulty intermediate nodes. Same way, next latency is client latency. So client latencies occurs by user, faulty application or lack of resources at the user end. Same way, next to the server latency, it occurs when server is slow replying to the incoming request, and it occur due to lack of processing power at the server, faulty application running and some interference. So these are the type of latency that can be occurred in this packet flow. So to measure this we have to calculate over this time column. So first of all we have seen here that it displays some date and some particular time. So this date and time is referred to the capturing of this packet when we capture this packet. So to edit this, to find out the time delays, we have to go to view option and then select the time display format. So from here you can see there are a lot of format. Just you have to select the first we are going to select is second since beginning of capture. So this option is used to capture the packet from the beginning. So it calculates the time from the beginning of the capture. So select it. Now you can see here it displays some time, like it starts from 000, next on increasing. So you can see here in between packet 1 and 2 there is time difference. So this time difference is the time delay between the sending and receiving of this packet. Same way you can see over all over this, and you can get the time delays between these packets. Since you get at the last, you can select, as you can see this packet, last packet 33 have the highest latency or highest time delay between receiving and sending. So from here you can check the difference between the time of receiving and sending of a packet. So if you want to spot the high delta time, so high delta time it's the time from the end of a packet to the end of the next packet. So to calculate the time between the end of a particular packet to the end of the next packet is known as high delta time. So to support this you have to just go to time control protocol in packet detail pane, and from here you have to expand the timestamp option. So expand this and select the time since previous frame in this TCP stream. Just click over to this and you can see there are many options, and go to apply as column, as we want to apply it as column because we want to see the high delta time. So just click over this apply as column, and now you can see here it display as a column here, time since previous frame in this TCP stream. So as it has a long name, so you can make it short. Just click over to the it and then to edit column detail, just remove it and give some short name like delta time and click over to the OK. And you can also sort it to nearby to the this. So just adjust these columns So to make analyze easily, you have to sort this column somewhat. So after sorting the column, now you can compare the time, that is the time which we have selected as the beginning of the capturing, and then the delta time. So these time have some difference. You can see from here it has some difference between. So these are the time, that is the time from the end of a packet to the end of the next packet. So from here you can get over the delays, which packet have the highest delay. So if you want to sort for the highest delay, you just click over to this and sort over to the descending. So sorry, just click over to this and you can select from here and select the highest latency, which have the highest latency goes on. So this last packet have the highest latency, that is the second packet receive highest latency in between, that is known as the highest delta time. So there are some of the delays which are occurred as normal. So the normal delays are like ICO file request, sync packets, finish and reset packets, get request, DNS queries, and TLS B1's encrypted alert. So these packets have the common delays, or you can see that these delays are the normal. So we have to not concern about these delays. We have to find out the delays which are making our system slow. So this is how we can calculate the time delays in between this packet. Thank you.